all of you will know everything about this guy, and that's partly because he's got an interesting nickname, and he used to be run an outfit and was known on his website with the company Sky Fever. And his handle, like all pilots have their various nicknames here, as he goes into an explosion, we call him Flash. So we've called up Flash just to help you through this next few minutes.